Hi there, Green Thumbs, it's me, Gardener Gary, back with another exciting adventure in gardening. Today, we're turning everyday household items into awesome plant pots. Yep, you heard me right. Things that might look like trash can help us grow beautiful plants. Ready? Let's dig in. First up, plastic bottles. We can easily turn these into fantastic mini planters. All you need is a pair of scissors, some soil, and seeds. Cut the bottle in half, fill with soil, and add your seeds. And boom, you have a cute, recycled planter. Recycling helps save the planet, and your plants will love their new home. Next up, milk cartons. These make perfect pots for herbs like basil or mint. Cut the top part off, punch holes for drainage, fill with soil, and add seeds. Imagine having fresh herbs right from your own kitchen. Egg cartons are amazing for starting seedlings. Fill each cup with soil, add a seed, and keep them moist. Once the plants get bigger, transfer them to bigger pots. And there you have it, Garden Explorers. We use bottles, milk cartons, egg cartons, and more to create our mini garden. Isn't that awesome? Thanks for joining me today, my little green thumbs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join me for more fun gardening tips. Bye-bye.